the ever-capable and always culpable Constable Finstable.
Thank you for joining us once again for part 2 and hopefully the finale of how to cook this meatballs and things that this fellow is going to cook. Yeah, that's right, I'm back. I'm Vinny Vincenzo. So we've taken the liberty of making some tortellinis over here. They're already training. We got some bolognese. Bolognese. It's a place in Italy, right? Like you American people, like us in America rather, when we eat like spaghetti and meatballs and stuff all mixed together, that's called bolognese. It's all mixed together, all right? So, moving right along, we're having a look at our balls over here. The what? The balls, the ones we made in episode 1. Where have you been over here? Oh, yes. Yeah, look at that. Look at those balls. Look at that. Yeah. So we're going to turn those off now. We want them to burn a little bit. Gives them some flavor, some kicks, some guts, but not too much, right? Right. So over here in the big pan, we're going to put a little bit of olive oil, EVOO. So if you ever go to a place and you see that acronym, EVOO, you're thinking, what the heck is that? What does that mean? Extra virgin olive oil, all right? About 2 tablespoons, not even. Then we're going to put some butter on it later here too. So over here on this cutting board, we got these garlics, right? And the reason I left this one by himself over here is I'm going to show you how to smash these things, all right? You want to crunch it with the back of your hand. It's pretty easy. And you pull the skin off, right? Throw that away, get rid of it. Then you cut the little stem part off. You don't need that unless you're really weird and you want to eat that and have it stuck in your mouth all day long, right? There you go. You got those, you're out of the way, you're good to go. Then you take your garlic, cut them in the same way that you smashed it. Then you're going to cut it in little pieces over here, right? Just like we did the onion. I'm going to chop that puppy up as small as you can get it. You put it in the pan, it'll just frazzle right up. It's a beautiful thing. It's a way of life, I'm here to tell you. Quite good. And now what happens next? This is where you're patient with me, all right? I can't say shut up no more because the producer guy told me I couldn't do it. I'm going to put this in the oily pan. Oh, you can hear that already, huh? It's good to go. It's frazzleizing. I like that. It's what? It's frying up. You know what I'm talking about. And I keep forgetting this stupid towel over here to keep it around your neck. So when you got to wipe your hands, it's ready to go, right? So, you can see that's already starting to burn up a little bit there. Just be careful. Yeah. Even the assistant likes me. We're not even done yet. I'm going to turn that bolognese off. It's going to turn into a science project over here. So we got this on medium. Before we do anything else, we're going to put some pepper. Yeah. One thing I don't have is crushed red pepper. You need that, right? A little bit of salt. A little bit of onion powder. Just a bit, right? A little garlic powder. Oh, yes, the powder of garlic. Get garlic powder, all right? Get with the times here, Pops. So, I'm going to shake that around. Make sure it doesn't burn up too much. See, you got that delightful, look at that. Delightful, yes. Here. Don't get too excited, Pops, all right? Then we got our butter. We're going to be adding about a tablespoon's worth. It's a pretty good sized chunk. It looks like about a ½ an inch. What do you think, huh? About a ½ an inch. Let that, yeah. Let that burn up in there good. And try not to drop any on the floor like I just did. Sorry about that. Hey, Freddie, if you're down there by the oven, you can eat that, all right? Last but not least, we're going to add some of this wonderful Italian spice. Once again, let that burn up in there. Ooh, the whole place is smelling like Italian spice. Right. There you go. You got that going on. It should look like this. You might want more oil or less. And you're going to put it together, right? Then you're going to get your tortellinis over here. Those have already been cooked out, you know, so they're already nice and mushy. You don't want it too mushy because then it won't taste right. Man, the whole place is smelling like a garlic clove over here. I love it. Now, you got two options here. You can toss it around or you can use the spoon. Oh yes, cool. I know about that. Yeah, look at that, look at that. What do you think, assistant? Are they looking good? You want to try some? Yeah, let's get a spoon for the sticky baby right here. Let's get one out of the thing that we didn't drop in the sink, all right? Let's get it out. What'd you do over here? You got so many freaking spoons, you don't know what to do. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So, in the meantime here, you got this burning up. It's good to go. You don't want to burn it up too much. Just enough to kind of make it kind of sticky. It's good. Yeah, quite good, quite good. Reminds me of the time well, let me tell you that, Pops. You keep interjecting like that. I don't know what I'm going to do. It's my shit off. Oh, no, it's not. It belongs to the SSI gal. She's the one running the show, not you. So, last but not least, you're going to put a little palm in here. That's P-A-R-M, palm. Then you're going to toss it around again, all right? Then you're going to turn it off. You're going to get your nice plate over here. Over here. Over there? No, over here. Then you're going to put your tortellinis on the plate, right? Just like that, even if you wait till I dump it, all right, kid? Then you're going to put the Baltz on there. Oh, yeah, look at that. My mom will be proud of me making this stuff. Look at that. Yeah. I don't know, it makes you want to eat stuff, don't it? And last but not least, you're going to have a little bit of this bolognese. Oh, yes, yes, bolognese. From Italy, yes. Just a bit over the top like that. Maybe some more parm if you want. You're good to go. Top that puppy off with a piece of bread. You're good to go. Bada bing, bingity, bing, bing, bing. If there's any questions, feel free to leave comments at the bottom. And don't forget, coming up soon is Dr. Stunderjet. I'm going to be featured on his show too. You'll love it. All right there, Finstable dude. We're done here. Oh, well, thank you. Thank you once again for joining us, everyone. Huge shout out to all of our friends all around the world who may be watching us by now. All of the mothers and fathers and brothers and cousins and all of them. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. As you're scoping the finished product, please be safe, God bless you, and have a great day.
The ever capable and always culpable.
Yeah, that's right.
Constable Finstable. Finstable?
Hey, Finstable, he's calling you.